An undersink cabinet can be a super tricky place to keep organized. Things just get tossed in, and when one thing falls, everything falls, and the mess is even worse. I'm gonna take care of that dilemma right now. Our first step is to take everything out from under the sink and give the bottom of the cabinet a really good wipe down. Before purchasing any storage, it's important to measure your space and see what you're working with. Pipes underneath the sink can make this space a bit awkward, so measure carefully to make sure that any storage you're adding will fit. Here, we're using a 2-tiered kitchen caddy to store cleaning solutions and supplies. We're using a caddy on a pull-out track so we can access everything without having to reach way into the back of the cabinet. Stackable baskets are a good option for keeping cleaning tools like dust cloths and rags. Command hooks are going to be your secret weapon for staying organized under your sink. Stick them on the inside of your cabinet to hang smaller items. That didn't take long at all, and now under the sink is under control.